Good morning, children. Back to the class. So in yesterday's class we have discussed about the what we did you discuss about articles. We have completed what are the articles, how we use the articles. Two types of articles were there. What are they? Definite, indefinite articles and definite article. So indefinite articles, what are there? A and an definite article the. So indefinite articles depends on the sounds of vowel sounds and consonant sounds. That definite article is it is used mainly particularly when the thing anything is we are taking, particularly when we speak about the person or thing, then we use the definite article, that is a the. And before the place names and a particular person, particular rivers, newspapers, daily newspapers, superlative degrees, all that unique things, the main unique things when we speak, like a sun, moon, stars and all we use. Like this many things we have discussed in yesterday's class. Today we are going to see the different topic, that is about the negatives and questions. Negatives and questions. Negatives means what? We know very well. Negative means what we don't want. So what words we will know? No, not, never. The next one never we will use. The next one nothing. Nothing also we can use. Like this many things are there. Nothing we can use. Many other things also we can use. Do not, don't. All these things will be used in a negative sentence. This all will be coming under the negative sentences. Do not enter. These all are negative. Formation of negative sentences put not after when we will put these all things after I am, is, are, means after the verb we can say. After the verb we will be using this kind of negative word will be used. I am not. So here we can say I am not good at drawing. So whatever I wrote just drawing, you can I am not good at dancing, I am not good at singing, whatever you want. I am not good at playing football, playing basketball, whatever. So this will be after the helping verb, be form verb. What I said, all this is, are, was, all this we call as a be form verbs. I have already told you. Be form verb. So before, after the be form verb, we will be using this negatives. Here they have given exercise number nothing more. These things you know. Exercise wise you will see so that it will be easy for you. Exercise number 1, what they are saying? Use not to fill in the blanks. In all that you have to use not. Very easy for you. I am not happy today. I am sad. Why I am not happy? Because I am sad. The next one, he is not brave boy. He is a proud. The next one, we are not interested in the lesson. We want to. Why you are not interested? We want to play the game. So like this, not you have to use and do in exercise number 1. And in exercise number 2, when we come, use not after do or does, did. 3 things are they have given, that is a do, does, did. These 3, after these 3, we have to use what? Not. Do not, does not, did not. In this case, you have to use. So already they have given the do, does in the before the blank, and some they have not given. Just we have to add them. I do dash have a notebook. I do not have a notebook. What you can write? Exercise number. I do not. What you have to write there? Do not have. Already do they have given. So what you have to add there? Not. Same thing. She does. What you have to add? Not. Just you have to add that. You can complete by yourself. And 6th one, what you see? They have given only. You have to add there. exercise number 3. The exercise number 3 and 4 also we will see now. Exercise number 3, what they are telling. Exercise number 3, make the following sentences negative. Positive sentence they have given, so you have to make it a negative. Positive they have given, you have to make the negative. So first one you see, I have bath before the breakfast. What is it? I have bath before the breakfast. Now this one negative, how you will make it? I don't have bath. I don't have bath before the breakfast. Whatever sentence. So just I have used it, don't have. This you have to write. After the subject, we have to add the negative word. So next one, he they have given. He is what I told you. He, she, it what we have used does. So he does not. What is there? He does not speak. Speaks is there. He does not speak well. He does not speak well about others. He does not speak well about others. Speaks is there. Does not speak well. Speak well. He does not speak. He does not speak well about everyone. And then next one, we is there. So do and does we have this. You can use did. We did not lock the door before going to sleep. Just like that, just you have to use the negative sentences and then you have to complete. That is exercise number 3. And exercise number 4, what they are asking? Till now we have seen do not we have used fully. No, do not, does not, everything. And now we have, instead of not, you have to use the this, instead of writing this, just like that you have to write. Wo should not be. Don't. Do not means instead of writing do not, if you have written do not. Instead of this, you can write don't. What you can write? Don't. This is the way also you have to write. Did not, didn't. So this is the way we can continue. And here you see is not they have given. When they have given is not, then we have isn't it? Isn't. So what you mean? Isn't. Just when we are asking anything, your sum is not correct. Isn't my sum is not correct? So instead of using is not your sum, just isn't. Just when we are asking also, are you not coming to picnic? Aren't you? Are not you? Are not you instead of aren't you? So aren't. So there just you write aren't. Aren't you? Just questioning is in this way. Aren't you? So instead of asking full question, are you not coming for picnic, instead of that, aren't you? Immediately we give. When they give yes, I am not. So instead of I am not. Just immediately we are giving the short type of answers. So we can do, they have given here, you can read them. Cannot, can't, are not, aren't, was not, wasn't, were not, do not, don't, will not be, won't be, shall not be, shan't be. So like this they have given, you can write them. Your sum is not correct, isn't it? Isn't it? The next one, one thing you remember, the be form verb, what we are using, according to that only we can make a sentence here. You have to use the be form. Is then isn't it? Are is then are not, aren't. So just like that, the verb be form verb, with the help of the be form verb only, we will be using the questioning for that video. So this is about that. The next one is about very interesting one, is a question tag. We have seen the negative, Now question tag is what? Questions. The question tag we will do. Questioning means we can interrogative sentences. Questioning only we can understand that where we will ask in interrogative sentence only the questioning and all will come. Interrogative sentence means we will be asking any question to others. Did you understand the class? Are you coming to the school? Are you going to eat your breakfast? Everything we are asking questioning. Question tag. Question tag how we will have. Interrogative sentences. Questioning means we can remember only the interrogative sentences. A group of words that ask a question is called an interrogative sentence. That we all know that. A group of words asking question that we call as the interrogative sentences. That you can underline in your textbook also. We put the mark of interrogation. So interrogation mark is what? Question mark. This is the interrogative mark. So at the end of the interrogative sentence. Formation of interrogative sentences. Yes or no type questions. Such a questions start with a helping verb. I told you helping verb before verb. So what are the helping verb before verb? Is, are, was, were, all etc. Whatever it is there. Will, shall, the next one has, have, do, does, did, all this could, would, can, may, must, all this will come. Answer to all these questions can be either yes or no. So when we are using this kind of helping verbs, we use the give answer yes or no only. Neha is driving a car. Is Neha driving a car? So question they have given, answer they have given. The question how we will ask? Neha is driving. Neha is why used because in the sentence the helping verb what they have used is. So the question also will start with a is only. Neha is driving a car means what we will? Is Neha. What we will? Is Neha. Is Neha. Is Neha driving a car? Yes. Neha is driving a car. So yes or no questions. So just before we say the answer we use the yes. No. Instead of if the she is not driving, we say no. Neha is not driving a car. Yes, she is. Neha is driving a car. Just like that you can make. Remember that the helping verb what they have used in the sentence with the same helping verb we will start the questioning. This room is cozy. So is they have used. So again you have to use it. Is this room cozy? So is this room. So just like that you have to. Question mark is very important. Whatever you ask end of the sentence question mark should be there. So just like that you can make. This is exercise number 5. And exercise number 6 what they are asking. Correct the following sentences. Sentences are wrong. So you have to correct them. That is how you say. Correct the following sentences. Do you done it? Is it correct word? Can it come done when you are using do you? Did you done it? Can it come? When we are using the did past tense done, how we will be used? So here the correct questioning, did you do? What we have not done? Done is a wrong word. Did you do it? So did you do it? This is the correct word. So this is the correct word we can use. Not done is a wrong. Change rather did or done. They are giving their options they can. So next one. I am right. This is the how. I am right. Am I right? How you will ask when I am right. You cannot ask the question there. When we want to ask the question, first what will the helping verb should be the first. So helping verb here what am. Am I correct? Am I right? Just like this you can ask. Am I right? Question. So this is the way you get. And the exercise number 7. The exercise number 7 when we see this also is like a make a suitable questions to which the words is bold. Means in the bold letters they have given with that you have to ask the questions. Ravi intends to say that stay here for 2 months. So how many, with that you can use. How many months do Ravi intend to stay here? So how many months, with the what they have given with the bold letters, with that we have to make it how many. When it comes about the numbering, we can ask how. So first one you can write there, how many months. How many months does Ravi intend to stay here? The second one you see, exercise number 7. This is, I am not explaining all the exercises because I will be giving you as a PDF. The teacher is looking for her students. Whom she is looking at? For her students. So what we can start? Whom does teacher looking for? Whom does? Or whom you can use. So whom does a teacher? Whom does teacher looking for? The teacher is looking for students. Next one is the rest is there. So the grandfather takes a rest. So what is grandfather doing? What is grandfather doing? So immediately answer, the grandfather is taking a rest. Exactly, you can complete other. Next one you come exercise number 8. Form a question to which the following are the answers. So you have to make a questioning exercise. They have given the bracket according to that you see. I keep fit by doing exercise. I keep fit myself by doing exercise there. Then being with the how. So how you can use there? You can write there 8. How do I keep fit? How do I keep fit? I keep fit by doing exercise. I like to play scramble. So I like to play scramble. What do you like to play? The next one, she could not attend the wedding as she was abroad. So why could not she attend the meet now? Why should not she attend the marriage? Like that you can. Next, some more question tags. Some more question tags are there. In negative, we have seen not and all we have seen. So here, till now we have seen is. In a positive way, you are asking a question yes or no type questions here. Now we are using the it is raining. Is not it? Means negative way you are asking. It is raining means what the question? Is not it. Means it is raining. Is not it. Means you are telling there the questioning you are asking. What the negative way? The negative way the question tag is used here in a negative manner. So how is not it? Not word in a negative. So the questioning, whatever the questioning we are using, that all are we are taking in a. She was late to work. Was not she. So she was late. Was not she. Means not maybe she is not. Maybe others. So you are negative way, whatever the you are telling opposite. The one word we are asking is for that opposite. We are answering here. The exercise number 10, if you see, you will understand. Change the following sentences into the questions by adding suitable question tags. Change the full stop and comma and put the question mark at end. So this is your umbrella. Is not it? So first what you can write is not it. Is not it. So you can write the question mark. The next step, that man looks like that. Does not he? He looks like my dad. Does not he? Really is looking like that instead of asking. Does not he? So dear children, this is the way you have to make a question tags. Just you have to think and write. And they have given exactly you can make like this. I will be giving you as a PDF. Next one is the note they have given. You are not late. You are not late they have given. So you are not you late. So they have given you are not late. You are not late. Are you? You have not done. So don't you. So have not, are not. Just like that we are using. So do not means have you. Instead of when you want have you late means have not you. Have not you late today? Have not you means when you are late they are asking in a negative way. So I hope you have understood the exercises. I will be giving you as a PDF whatever the exercises are there. I hope you have understood the lesson. What is the question tag and what is the negative sentences? How you have to use the question tags and all. Please refer the textbook again. If you have any doubt about this lesson, you can ask me. Thank you.